Good morning, guys. Ang abat. So for today's video, guys. Good morning, Georgie. Breakfast is Georgie, guys. And last day of school, and then you're off next week. Yeah? Lucky you. Last day of school. Kasi nila term break nila, guys. So, today, dahil wala akong pasok, manonood kami ng tawag nito, Mission Impossible, yung kay Tom Cruise, yung huling yung part 2 ng Impossible recording ba yun? Mister, dito lang daw ako kasi yes, love.
If, like, some people might not know what Tom Cruise is in Mission Impossible. So
Everyone knows Tom Cruise, Georgie. So anyway, before my daughter interrupting me again, cheese,
yes, please.
extra mature. Sabi ni Mister, siya lang daw mag-atid kay Georgie.
No, what should I?
Ha?
What should I?
This is cheddar. So, kaya, tutuloy yung vlog ko.
What?
Hindi ko got cheddar. This one. Try this one, that's your cheddar.
The red one.
We don't have the red one.
The red one is good.
Last one. So, gusto niya may cheese sa baonan niya. Gumawa ko ng lunch niya ng fish fingers. Ito. So, di ba manonood kami ng Mission Impossible. Tapos, yung sasakyan ko kasi kailangan ng petrol. So, papagasolinahan ni Mister. Kasi guys, dito kasi sa England, ikaw yung maggasolina sa sakyan mo tapos magbayad ka lang mismo sa machine or magbayad ka sa loob ng shop. Ang nakasanayan ko kasi yung petrol station doon lang sa malapit sa pinagtrabahoan ko, sarado kasi sila under construction yung yung place. Kaya si Mister ang maghatid ni Georgie, tapos pagka-uwi niya on the way papagsalina sa sakyan ko kasi bukas may trabaho ako ba. Tapos after nunod namin ng Mission Impossible, magsundo kami ni Georgie. Tapos, diretso kami sa piano lessons. So, bali, today is all day out. Pinapaiwan ako ni Mister kasi kailangan ko maglaba. Kailangan namin maglaba kasi maganda yung araw. Parang, habang nasa labas kami, nakasampay na yung labahan ba? Yung nilabhan. Kasi kung sabay kaming say good morning, guys. Did you eat that chocolate?
Yeah, I like it.
You know, too strong, no? Kasi kung kami, sabay-sabay na kami pumunta sa school ni Georgie, ihatid siya, tapos diretso sa cinema. Mahaba yung oras ng paghihintay namin. So, sayang ba? So, at least, kung sa bahay lang ako, at least may nagawa tayo for today's video. Hindi lang gala, Tangkan mo na lang. Look, ang tangkad na niya, guys. O, sa mga nakasubaybay kaya sa amin ni Georgie, nung nasa Dubai pa kami. Stand up nga lang. Ayan, Ay. Lapit na, Halala. Magkahit na tayo, Georgie. Hi, Georgie. Kiss mommy. Ala. Ganyan.
Spending down.
You brush your teeth na. Wash your face because you got Oreo's face.
I don't know.
I don't? See yourself in the camera again. You got muta nga Sige na, wash properly.
No, I woke up from yesterday. I've been awake all night.
Si dati, ang cute-cute pa nila. Ngayon, ang sarap ng anuhin. Kasi ang galing ng mga magbalibag, magsagot. Gawa-gawa ng No? Dati, you're so cute. Now, you're so annoying. No, you're not annoying,
Yes, I am.
You know how to push the button, that's why, to annoy mommy. That's what I meant.
What's the button?
Like, you know where's the button people annoy, you know? You annoy people, you know how to annoy people. So you know where's the... Brush your teeth na please, dali na.
No.
Dali
I'm
na.
alone with you.
Your uniform is on the bed already. Kape tayo, guys. I love you. Enjoy at school, ha? Listen to your teacher, no? Yeah?
Change your library book.
Change your library book. Yeah? What happened to your French love?
I don't
Nahiwi.
like tiramisu, by the way.
Okay. I'll throw that away then. Yeah? Ready to go now?
No. I'm not ready to go until I fall asleep.
Turn it on.
Hi guys,
What are you doing?
it's my vlog. I will just vlogging here. You're so early.
Ah, diba? Inayos yung French. Fix your French. Oh, it's messy.
No, it's fine. The fence is
It's messy inside, oh. Stop ba? You're not baby anymore, but you're still my baby, no?
If you say I'm a baby, that means I'm a baby then.
I'm your baby na. Milk me, please.
Then drink from your own milk. Jump to this guy.
What's the name of your unicorn? Pom-pom? What type of animals is it?
What type of breed?
Yeah, a dog.
Where?
Poodle.
Which animal? It's a unicorn, it's not a dog.
No, I said what kind of breed is my
Wala, namatay, nahulog. Ano sa man siya?
my unipuppy.
I don't know.
It's a
Kiss ko ba?
it's a husky.
Is it?
Yeah.
If you say so.
Bye! See you later! Ingat po! Ako lang mag-isa. Ang sarap mag-meet time. Uy, ang ganda ng bulaklak ko. Oh, no. Ganda. Ang ganda niya. Tingnan ko ngayon tubig kung marami pa ba. Yan, ang ganda niya, no? Tapos yung orchids ko, namumulaklak din. Oh. Maganda pag may halaman sa loob para meron oxygen. Ayan. Tapos, ito na rin yung ano, yung isang bulaklak. Ayan, oh. Oh. Hello, good morning. No? Sa amin dalawa ni Mr. guys, no? Siya yung ano, siya yung gala. Kasi, pag wala kaming work, or pag off ko, gusto niya talagang either kakain kami sa labas. Basta, gusto niyang ano, ilabas niya ako ba. Ganda ng lightning, oh. Klaro yung pores. So, gusto niya i-treat talaga niya ako. So, ngayong labas na ito, siya yung ano, magbabayad. Siya yung nagbayad ng cinema. Ayan, kabisa tayo guys, no? Gamitin natin ito. At gamitin natin. Tapos na ang ating labahin. I think so. Para masampay na natin. Makasalang tayo ng panibagong for second batch. Ito gamitin nating bag ngayon. Magpapalit ako ng bag kasi date namin ni Mr. eh. Diba? Shalan. Ala! Oh. So, kailangan ko siya ng ano, kailangan siya ng lagayan para nakasabit. Paano naman kasi? Ito oh, plastic ba puti? So, hanapan na lang natin to ng ano. So, anyway, tanggalan natin ang plastic. Ayan, gamitin natin, kaya nga binili, di ba? Ayan. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Ayan. Ay, meron pa palang plastic dito, oh. Ganda, oh, good. Tapos, yung sling, inuna yung ano, no? Yung bag bago magsampay. Ano to? Ay, ano to? Belt? Lo. Kakaiba yung ano nila. Hindi ko alam kung belt ba to. Tingnan nyo, para siyang belt, oh. Ayun nga, oh. Totoo. Parang belt nga siya. I think 2-in-1 to. Pwede siyang gawing sling. Pwede siya maging belt. So, pag yan ang ibag mo, gawin mo pala itong belt. Ay, syalan. Pero try natin ikabit daw. Kasi ayaw kong lumabas na nakabit-bit na nakaganon lang. Hindi ako sanay yung super, ang tawag niyan? Yung super, ano ba? Yung mga iba nagdadala. Hindi bagay sa akin yung magbit-bit ng paganon. Yung ganito ba? Paglakad ka ng ganito lang. Ganito, maglakad ka ng ganito. Ganyan. Ayan. Hindi bagay sa akin. Try nga natin pag ganito. I'm sure. Kakaiba yung ano nila, no? Ah. Ito, oh. Shoulder bag pero parang belt. Ayan siya. Parang belt nga. Siyan lang natin kasi short lang tayo eh. Ayan. Ay, kakaiba to si ano, si My Little Bunny. O, ayan, strap na siya. Pero honestly, pwede siya maging ano, maging belt. So, yun lang gusto ko. Ganyan magbit-bit, guys. Kasi, para hindi nakakangalay ba? Cute nga siya pag ganito din eh. Kaya lang, hindi siya maklip pag nandyan yung strap. Cute sana pag may ganyan, ano. Ganito pala yan. Ah, ganyan, oh. Ah, see. O, ganyan siya, guys. Para yung, ito, nasa gilid. Or, you can push all the way through. Ayan. Ay, galing. So, alam niyo na, guys, pag ano, pag bibili kayo ng bag sa My Little Bunny, ganyan. Ay, ayos, no? Ayan, magsampay muna ako. Ating ni Sir. Ready to go. All our bags are packed, I'm so ready to go. I'm standing here outside the door. Already I'm so lonesome I could cry. I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know where I belong again. Oh yeah, I let you go. I forgot the lyrics. Pag mag-isa ka lang sa bahay, ganito ang mangyayari. Buti sarado lahat, hindi ako marinig ng kapitbahay. So, sampay mo na. Na 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 na. Da la 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 la. La 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 la. Na na na. Dreams about when I kiss you, one more thing, and na 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 na. So, bago natin magsampay, isalang ko muna para habang nagsasampay ako, yung labahin ba umaandar, ano? Masalang na natin yung labahin natin. Ayan, alis na tayo, guys. Ito yung bag. George's phone, glasses, key, coat. Kasi malamig yung hangin. So at least mayroon tayong panlaban sa lamig. Ano?
Coat indoors.
Andito na kami, guys. Tingnan ko nga itong sasakyan na to. Kasi guys, plano ko kasi palitan yung sasakyan ko. Let me have a look at the car. Yeah, it is Kuna. So, ayan, tinignan ko yung car na yan, guys. Oh, ayan. Kuna.
You like that, do you?
Yeah, you like it as well. Because the size. Yeah. It's a bit bigger of yours. Kasi guys, plano ko palitan yung sakyan ko kasi maliit. Walang walang guts. Pag mabagal ba. So, yung medyo malaki. And this one, the MG HS. Looks bigger, no?
Yeah.
Ganda. So, dito na tayo sa Voo. Si dati, pag naglalakad kami, hawak kamay mostly. Ngayon, nauna na siya. Pahuli ako. Kasi nag-video ko ba. So, hindi masyadong busy. So, maaga kami nag-book.
Right, give me one. Got Maltesers?
No. Of course, I want chips or no, I want popcorn. No. Popcorn. Screen 12.
H6 and H7.
Yeah, we're sitting upstairs. Huh? Long movie guys, kaya mag-snacking na kami. Ayan. You have to watch your stepdaddy, no? We don't want you to fall over again. Want me to open the door for you? You should empty.
It was like VIP in Dubai.
Yeah.
It was complete.
Movies finished guys. Grabe ang haba ng ang haba ng movies. Sakit yung likod ko sa kakaupo. Pati si Mr. Hey. Worth it siya panoorin sa sa cinema. Pag Tom Cruise talaga worth it pag cinema. Where's the popcorn? So, may sobra pa kaming popcorn. Inuwi namin kasi big yun eh. Ito. Ayan. Large. So, we still have something to nibble in the car while waiting for Georgie. So, how was it? You enjoy it, no?
It was alright.
It was alright?
It was good.
It was good. But there's one movie we look forward. It's the John Wick. No?
Good trailers.
Yeah. So, abangan natin yan. Panoorin natin yan, yung John Wick na yan. Kasi nakasubaybay kasi kami niyan, guys.
It's called
Kahit,
Ballerina.
yeah. Yung,
What do you want to do now?
oh, it's still early, no? No, what time is it? Let's go to Tesco. So, I can buy flowers and, Aya's birthday gift.
You ain't got a shopping list with you.
I didn't bring the shopping list.
What's the point?
Huh? We cannot take the shopping with us anyway because we're going straight to piano.
Yeah. We're going to look at a Mini.
Mini Cooper?
Yeah.
It's in this side now.
It's right here. Just down here. Do you want to go to the Mini Cooper garage?
Oh, sige. So, let's go to Mini Cooper, garage. Let's have a look, cars. Tayo sa guys, Mini Cooper. Oh, look at the bikes, Daddy. Dick love it.
Yeah, that's a big
done
place.
cars?
Yeah, I didn't realise it was this big.
Lots of BMWs now. Tingin lang kami, guys. Hindi kami, hindi kami sure. Kasi pag dito sa England, guys, pag bibili ka ng, brand new car,
Mini straight down the hill.
very expensive. So, mostly mga dito, second hand, bumibili ng second hand. Yung mga nagmamay-ari ng mga like Tesla, yung mga high purchase cars, yan, nagre-rent lang yan sila. Kasi mahal ang mahal ang tax. Mahal ang tax at saka yung maintenance. Kaya, yan, kami, low purchase, pero at least you own the car. Hindi tayo mangutang. Kasi pag mangutang ka na mababaon ka. Kita mo yung mga sasakyan, guys. Binibenta yan. Ang daming stock, no? He's very helpful, no?
Yeah.
Very young lad. Young lad, very helpful. Does it look slow? Ayaw nga pala, slow. Yan yung mga Mini Cooper, guys. Ito talaga dream car ko, guys. Yan. Ano kasi yan, Yuki brand. So, dahil ano kasi ako ba, naghinayang gumastos ba. Kasi mahal din kasi to eh. Second hand. Pero ang cute niya, oh, ladies car, di ba? This is nice, oh. Cute. I know, you like the gray, no? Look at this. 2023, yeah. No, I don't need soft top, no? How about the yellow green? Ay, no, 21 grand.
Yeah? Yeah, it's John Cooper Works. It's a fast one.
Ah, and very low.
Well, you think it was too much?
Yeah, it's too expensive, boy.
Nice.
No, it's too expensive.
Big 21.
Mahal, oy. 21,000 pounds. Ah, look at the blue.
22. It's high up. That's the one you got.
It's
Yeah, that's the one we like. Kangaroo Cooper S.
how about we just swap 2 cars with this one? Do we drive?
You're going to have a look at the sat nav. Let's go inside.
Ah, yeah. See, dahil I'm short,
Yeah.
we need to adjust the seats.
Pump it up.
Pump it up. So that's the higher one.
Yeah.
Close it. That's already the higher one. Where's the? I want to move the seats.
It'll
No,
be
what I-
between your legs.
No, it's not. I think it's this one.
No, that's
the back.
that's that.
Okay.
Get comfortable. Might be that.
Oh yeah, it's. I know it's not. I can't. No, there's no. I can't.
Does this adjust?
Ah, it's yes. I can see.
Does this adjust?
No.
Yeah, it does. Lift it. Pull
Yeah.
it.
No, that's the highest one. What did you do? Yeah. Close the door, nga, Daddy.
Shines mini on the floor.
Huh? I know. I can see it.
You see the bonnet?
And it's sunroof. Yeah, I can see the bonnet. Oh, hi. You can open the door. Ayan si Daddy. Pumasok. Look. No? That's the screen. And then I'm sure they got screen here as well when the engine switch on. See? Glove box. It's very nice though,
Yeah, it's a
but
navigation system.
that's the back. And look, look, Daddy, you
Yeah,
can
but-
sunroof.
Yeah, but this has got leather seats. This is too expensive. This one
It-
pumps as well.
Yeah, I think it's a heated seat as well, no? Struggling to get in. Is that all the way the seat back?
It's worse than yours.
Nah, you can't drive like that. So
Drive it like that.
yeah. Mini Cooper S.
$34. That one's BMW i3.
i3? What year is that?
It doesn't matter. It's not for sale.
Balik na kami sa sakyan, guys. Nagtingin lang kami saglit.
Huh?
Not saying we're back in the car. We're just looking very...
Get the
We're
AC
just
on.
viewing the car very quick. Kasi mahal oy, very expensive. Kung gusto mo mangutang, afford yun. Kaya lang, yeah.
Relative to your salary, your earnings, and your money.
Yeah, but if you want to risk, if you can do it, but there's no point, risking.
Many people do. That's up to them.
So we're going to Georgie's school.
Well, you want to go to Tesco first?
Yeah, I need to buy flowers. Kasi may piano lesson si Georgie ngayon, guys. So we
Yeah, sorry for your lost card.
do you have to buy a card or
You
just
don't
a
have to,
flowers?
just
Just flowers, no? So, flowers na lang. So, nandito na tayo sa school ni Georgie, guys. Sinundo na ni Daddy si Georgie. Pag nagulat ako. Kiss ko, be. I thought you're coming that way. Kiss ko, be.
Never come that way.
I love you. You want popcorn? You go inside ko so you can
Is it
bubble up.
sweet?
It's salty.
Yay.
Nagulat ako, guys. Pistot. Kuyawan ko ba? Ayan, nag-uwi ka, di ba? Nag-uwi kami ng popcorn. Ayan, gusto niya popcorn. Popcorn! You buckle up now? Oh. Tara kami sa piano lesson ni Georgie, guys. So, we'll end our video now. See you later, guys.